Hearing aids can dramatically improve your communication and overall quality of life, but like any technology, they aren't built to last forever. On average, hearing aids last about 3 to 5 years, though this can vary depending on your hearing needs, lifestyle, and how well you care for them. Hi, I'm Taylor, a hearing instrument specialist at Hearing Solutions, and today I want to walk you through what affects the lifespan of hearing aids, why people replace them, and how you can get the most out of your devices. There are several key factors that can influence how long hearing aids will last. Understanding these can help you plan and take care of your devices. Even small shifts in your hearing can affect how well your current technology amplifies certain sounds or helps you understand speech in noisy environments. If your prescription changes, your devices may no longer provide the clarity and comfort you need, which can make conversations more challenging or tiring. Some people also choose to upgrade their hearing aids after a few years when insurance coverage or government funding for new devices becomes available. This timing allows them to take advantage of both financial support and updated technology that better meets their hearing needs. Regular hearing checkups are important because they help your clinician monitor your hearing changes and recommend adjustments or upgrades before small problems turn into bigger frustrations. Another factor to consider is that hearing aid technology evolves quickly. New technology is regularly being released that offers faster processors, better sound quality, and improved noise management. By the time your hearing aids reach the 4 or 5 year mark, there will most likely be newer technology out that makes it worth upgrading to take advantage of these improvements. Like any other piece of technology, hearing aids are subject to wear and tear over time. Everyday use exposes them to tiny amounts of moisture, earwax, dust, and even natural oils from your skin, all of which can gradually affect their performance. Components like speakers, microphones, and receivers can degrade, which may lead to a noticeable change in sound quality. Voices can sound less clear, background noise may become harder to manage, or certain frequencies can feel less balanced. Even with proper handling, normal use can take its toll. Your lifestyle and environment can also affect how long your hearing aids last. People who live in more humid climates or lead very active lifestyles may see a shorter lifespan for their hearing aids. Moisture from sweat or the environment can affect sensitive components and potentially reduce their performance over time. The style of your hearing aid matters as well. Behind-the-ear models often last a little longer because they have speakers, also called receivers, that are separate from the main body of the device and can be replaced a little more easily without having to get a whole new hearing aid. In-the-ear models sit entirely inside your ear canal. They have smaller, more compact speakers that is integrated into the body of the hearing aid. Because it can't be easily removed or replaced, if this speaker fails, the entire hearing aid may need to be replaced. Additionally, the warmer and more moist environment of the ear canal can accelerate wear on these parts. Understanding how your environments and daily habits impact your devices can help you take the steps to protect them and maintain their performance. More minor issues like a faulty battery or a clogged microphone may be covered under warranty and can often be repaired quickly and cost-effectively. If your hearing aids no longer meet your hearing needs, are outside their warranty period, or if newer technology could offer better benefits, replacing them may be the better option. Investing in a higher performance hearing aid that provides stronger processors can also extend their usability. These devices can often be reprogrammed as your hearing changes, which can delay the need for a full replacement. With proper care and maintenance, you can significantly help your hearing aids last longer and keep them performing their best. Here's some practical tips you can take. Daily cleaning. Cleaning your devices every day can help to remove moisture, earwax, and debris. Even small amounts of buildup can affect the microphones and speakers over time. This consistent care can help protect the internal parts and ensure your devices continue to deliver clear, reliable sound. Many hearing aids have small replaceable parts like filters, wax guards, or batteries. Changing these parts regularly helps maintain sound quality and prevents damage to the internal components. For example, a clogged filter can strain the speaker and reduce performance, while replacing it keeps the sound crisp and clear. It's important to schedule routine appointments with your hearing healthcare provider. During these visits, your clinician can clean and inspect your devices professionally, check that programming is still optimal, and catch small issues before they become bigger problems. These checkups are also a chance to update settings as your hearing changes over time. When you're not wearing your hearing aids, they should be stored in a dry, safe place, preferably in a protective case. You should avoid leaving them in hot, humid environments like bathrooms or cars because the heat and moisture can damage electronics. If you have a rechargeable device, you should follow the manufacturer's warranty for the recommended charging routine. For devices with disposable batteries, you should remove them if you won't be using your hearing aids for several days. Proper battery care can prevent leaks, also ensuring your devices always have reliable power. Even with careful care, some issues may still require professional repairs, but following these tips consistently can help you extend your hearing aid lifespan and maintain their performance. By understanding the factors that influence your hearing aid's longevity and taking good care of your devices, you can ensure that you're always hearing your best. If your hearing aids are showing signs of wear, or if you have hearing aids and haven't had your hearing tested recently, it might be time to book a checkup. Our team can evaluate your hearing, ensure your devices are performing their best, and recommend solutions to maintain your quality of life. Schedule your hearing checkup today by giving us a call or visiting our website to find a clinic near you.